crypto warriors, changing our world day by day. The way of the crypto warriors, can't rely on the bankers, no way.
Good morning, Bix Weir, roadroo.com with your morning horn disease, your sip of coffee, and I forgot my coffee again. Tomorrow. Let's start with the Word Wednesday that was just posted. Word Wednesday with Paige. Paige discusses ICE, the Intercontinental Exchange, the criminality within it. We talk about what it is, how they use derivatives to help rig markets. Yes, if you're an investor, ICE absolutely influences the price of your investment. I don't care if it's stocks, bonds, cryptos. ICE is there. ICE is rigging. ICE is manipulating. ICE is coordinating other exchanges and giving bailouts to their friends. It is ugly. Go check it out on the Road to Ruta YouTube channel. Paige does a great job breaking it down. Go check that out. Let's talk about manipulation in silver. It was allowed to go above $26. I think there is an expiration of options on Friday, a little chunk around 26, so they're fighting for 26. My guess is that they'll keep it below 26 unless they own those options. They, meaning the current rigging operation out of the U.S. Fed. They don't even care about money, truthfully. So they're going to keep it around 26. Ted Butler seems to think we're ready to move forward. Could be. I don't know. But what I do know is that the silver riggers are in trouble. Because right now we are looking at a rather elevated amount of deliveries in open interest. Unless something drastic happens in the next, what they got 4 days left. Unless they have a big slam in the next 4 days, they got a problem. Because they got about 300 million ounces they're going to have to deliver. They only got rid of, 5.5 rollover. And then 1.5 or 5,580 contracts were rolled over. Wait a minute, no. That's the total that went down. So 337 contracts were rolled over, and about half of that, 1,429, were actually delivered or removed. They were closed out, meaning they had to take a loss. So right now, we're looking at a huge amount of contracts that could stand for delivery next week. Now, the last trading day is Monday, so we will see. I mean, anything above contracts of 20,000 contracts is going to be a monster delivery. So we could see some serious deliveries in July unless they start knocking off, they need to knock off 8,000 to 10,000 contracts per day, and it only happens with big slams. So expect a big slam in the next 4 days, and then it's free sailing for deliveries. If they can get it down below, I would say 80,000 would cause them a lot of, 80 million ounce delivery in July would cause them a lot of problem. I think anything's going to cause them a lot of problem. But right now, without a big slam, I'd say they'd whittle this down to about 40 or 30,000. I mean, anything above 20,000 contracts, 20,000 contracts is over 100 million ounces. And I don't think they have it. They might just drain JP Morgan of all their silver and lease it out. But it is looking good. Right now, I'm seeing positive things, a very, very huge July delivery month. Because open interest is close to 300 million still, and it's next Monday that the contract stops trading. Long story short, it's looking good for July deliveries. How much pain it will cause over July, I don't know. They don't have to give it all on the first day. Obviously, they save storage costs if they do it on the first day, but who knows? We'll find out what happens. We will find out what happens. It looks like with what's going on with silver, a little relief was let up and then a little tamped down. The exact same thing is going on in cryptos. They're on the same program run by the same people out of the U.S. Treasury. Rustin Binham is the guy at the CFTC who's involved in this. He's already admitted he's involved in this. He's the head of the CFTC. He's leaving. He's leaving by next week. He's supposed to be out in June. So we'll see what happens. I don't know who's going to replace him. Probably one of their cronies. I don't know if it's been announced yet, but yeah, it doesn't matter who it is. They're going to help the riggers rig the market. That's the CFTC. The regulator is a rigger. Absolutely 100%. And we talk about that a little bit on the Word Wednesday. Go check that out. Right now, yeah, we got a little relief. Cryptos are run off computer programs, all derivatives all the time. Theta traded $500 million worth of Theta in the last 24 hours. It got down to like $5. Anything, I just jumped above 7. I was hoping you can get it below 7, but anything, any amount of Theta you can get your hot little hands on in Theta Fuel, now is the time. We've got 6-7 days. Let's see, the day is the 20th. There's 7 days before Mainnet 3.0. And then, who knows what'll happen? Sell the news or whatever. No, not this time, my friends. Nobody's been selling. If you look at the amount staked, is still above, right at 62% for Theta, even on this downdraft. It's all bullshit. These are all fake trades going back and forth to each other. I would say 95% of this is coming out of Binance right now. Remember, Binance is the criminal exchange. So there's a lot of criminals out there, and they're all vying for position. If you can get your cryptos off the exchanges, do it now. Do it now, absolutely. So Theta is trading at $7.07, which is half of its all-time, less than half of its all-time high. T-Fuel still elevated at 47 cents. I think T-Fuel is going to run a lot. The ratio is still around 15 to 1. I think it's got to get down to about at least 10 to 1, maybe even get down to 5 to 1 when staking happens, and people find out that you can make a hell of a lot more staking T-Fuel than Theta until everybody starts staking their T-Fuel. So I plan on staking all my T-Fuel when it becomes available after Mainnet 3.0. So get yourself some T-Fuel and get ready to stake, because you'll make more staking T-Fuel, at least for a little bit, until the ratio comes more into line. I think 6.25 or something is the inline ratio. And that would be T-Fuel to Theta. But it all depends on how much, there's a lot of unknowns about the quantity that will get burned, quantity of T-Fuel that will get burned, quantity created, and things like that. So, but definitely I think T-Fuel is going to do a little better than Theta, and then everybody's going to try to get out of T-Fuel and back into Theta, and then Theta's going to run. Either way, you're golden, pony boy. So make sure you get your Theta and Theta Fuel into your own possession. If you don't know how to do it, join the Road to Root, a private road, and we have a Theta page. It talks about how to stake, store, buy, store, and stake Theta. It's right here. Root's Theta page right at the top. I will be talking to Jenny Moonstone tomorrow. We're back online. It's been a couple weeks, so really excited about that. Lots to talk about with the Silver Knights. Lots to talk about with Theta and other cryptos. We'll get into some mysteries. We'll do some people analysis, which is always fun, and it'll be good to talk to Jenny again. So that should be posted tomorrow afternoon or Friday, probably Friday after I edit. And I only edit out, I always get a little personal reading at the end too, just to make sure. And if you have not gotten a reading from Jenny Moonstone yet, go to jennymoonstone.com, jennymoonstone.com. Let's go there right now, www.jennymoonstone. And you can sign up. She has a sign up page there at her website. If it is loading right now, is it loading? I'm having internet problems, by the way. You should be able to sign up on our website. Of course, it's not loading at the moment. Maybe she's down. I don't know. Sign up for a reading. There it is. Just click on that, and you will be able to get a reading. You should be able to get it. There it is. Schedule a reading, and you can schedule a reading with Jenny. There, finally the website comes up. $175 for an hour. It is totally, completely worth it. Go check it out. There are readings available, and let's make her busy. Just go to the top, schedule a reading right there, and then you can schedule it right here. All right? But she will be with us tomorrow. Posted on Friday. For the private road members, I can't put her stuff on the public road. I'm having huge problems with internet lately, huh? Oh, well. It is what it is. I'm sure we'll have a lot more problems as the system starts breaking down. So get your physical silver in your possession. Get your Theta and Theta Fuel in your possession. Oh, my God. It's such a gift to get Theta and Theta Fuel at half price right before the Mainnet 3. And good luck out there. Kick some ass. Look at the fear greed index. It's still a great time to buy. You want to buy when it's extreme fear and sell when it's extreme greed. If you are a trader, if you're a hodler, you're just sitting through this, chilling out, going, it'll be back. And everybody's saying, oh my God, I wish I had not sold my crypto. I don't think many people are selling anymore. I think it's just the manipulators keeping the price down. We'll find out. This is Bix Weir, roadtoruin.com. I'll talk to you later.